YouTube? Welcome to MSL2.0 Brandonriggs. Today, I'm going to show you guys my two ATVs. And here they are. It's going to be loud. The one in the back is mine. Hold on. I'm gonna start turning them off. So yeah, that's my TVs. We have this for the gas, so we could put the gas in the thing here, and we have that to connect that and that, and we have those cords to connect the radios, gloves, and yeah. A lot of gas, and this is the trailer. So yeah, this is the whole thing. But yeah. So yeah, it's very awesome. This is a very short vlog, but yeah, it's a very cool one, and it's called that. I don't know how to. Hallmark. This is embarrassing. Alright, so that's what it's named. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!